Children, our new chapter is light. See how the things are visible to us. Without light, we cannot see anything. So, in darkness especially, we cannot see anything. So, when light falls on an object, it is emitted by our eyes to detect the light. So, the object becomes visible to us. So, whatever the things we are seeing, the color and all, everything is sensed by the photoreceptors. What happens when light falls on a mirror? See, for example, when light falls on a mirror, that mirror just reflect back. Not only mirror, any shiny surface can access a mirror. So this mirror changes the direction of the light that falls upon it. What is reflection? See, when light strikes a surface and it bounces back, that is reflection. So we can say bouncing back of light from a surface is called reflection. Incident ray. The ray of light that falls on the surface is called incident ray. Reflected ray. The ray of light that gets reflected back from the surface, that is called reflected ray. Normal ray is nothing but just an imaginary line which is drawn perpendicular to the reflecting surface where the incident ray strikes the surface. Angle of incidence. Angle between incident ray and the normal ray. That is angle of incidence. That is denoted as theta I. Theta R is angle of reflection. That is the angle between the reflected ray makes with the normal ray. For an incident ray, there is always only one reflected ray. Laws of reflection. First law of reflection. The angle of incidence and the angle of reflection always equal to each other. This one we can also say in other words as the angle by which a ray of light is incident on a surface will always be equal to the angle by which it is reflected back from the surface. Second law of reflection is the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal ray all lies in the same plane. What is lateral inversion? See, when you are standing in front of a mirror, if you are showing your left hand, but it will appear as the right hand. So, the vice versa. Whatever you are showing in front of the mirror, for example, if you are showing your left hand, it will show you as a right side. So, this is called lateral inversion. Answer the following questions. Define reflection. What is lateral inversion? Write the laws of reflection. What is incident ray? What is reflected ray? Refer chapter 16, light, page number 199, 200 and 201.